Ready to turn your website into a trust-building powerhouse by showcasing glowing Google reviews. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Now, navigate to Plugins and click Add New. We are going to find a plugin that smoothly integrates Google reviews. Search for a Google Reviews plugin. There are several options, like Widget for Google Reviews or similar tools, so choose one with good ratings and a decent number of installations. Once you find your preferred plugin, click Install Now, then activate it. Next, open the page in Elementor where you want to display your reviews. Look for the Google Reviews widget in the Elementor Elements panel. It may be named after the plugin you installed. Drag and drop the widget onto your desired location on your page. Now, in the Elementor sidebar, you'll need to configure the widget. This usually involves connecting to your Google Business profile. Follow the plugin's instructions to authenticate and link your account. Once connected, your Google reviews should start appearing. You can usually customize the layout, number of reviews displayed, and other styling options within the widget settings. Explore the styling options to match your website's design. Adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to make it seamless. Finally, preview your page and publish it to see your fantastic Google reviews live on your website, boosting your credibility and attracting more customers.